Hi, and welcome to Modern Sales. My name is Derek Shebby, and today we're going to talk about how to increase your sales results by winning the numbers game. So, have you heard the phrase, sales is a numbers game? People say it all the time in this industry, but do you know what it means? More importantly, do you know how to apply it for you? Well, I'm going to talk about 4 things in this course. First thing is how to apply statistics to turn your sales process into a numbers game that you can win. Second thing is the equation that's going to help you take your career to the next level. The third thing, identifying what could get in the way of success during your sales process. Because there's a lot of things that could cause you from getting to where you want to go. The fourth thing, how to diagnose which skills you need to focus on to increase those results. There's a lot of choices that you have for sales training out there. And you know what? Most of them are outdated. They don't work in today's day and age. I currently am a sales training director for a Fortune 500 company. And I'm going to talk to you about the things that I teach sales reps, sales managers, and VPs today, not only in the classroom, but I also have to show them how to do it in the field. So I know this is relevant. I know it works, and I know it can help you too. So I hope you join me.